Hey guys. All right, so I already started opening this because I thought it was recording. It wasn't. Um, a lot of you guys know how much of a huge fan I am of Ben Heine. He is my favorite artist. Also, Ula is my favorite artist as well. But I have been a fan of his since 2009, since my son was like 9 or 10 years old. So I've been a fan for almost 11 years. I could never afford his art because I was a single mom, and now that my son has a full-time job and pays his own bills, I was finally able to afford. I'm gonna cry, I'm so happy. This really made my day. I'm so glad I got this because I've been crying for over 2 days because of the passing of my uncle. So this really uplifted my spirits. I know it's just art to other people, but I've just been a fan for so long, and to finally be able to afford his art, he was very generous with the prices. I can't thank him enough for that, because to finally be able to have this in my home means so much to me. And now I'm crying happy tears. Oh, I'm so emotional. Oh, I'm so excited. I just cannot wait to open this and see it for myself. Thank you again, Ben, so much. I gotta be very careful. I don't want to hurt the art in any way. That would be devastating. Oh my gosh, they're as big as this. It's individually wrapped, I think. Yes. This isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. And they weren't damaged, so I'm not going to complain. Very nice job wrapping these. Nice and tight so they didn't move. Very impressed with the wrapping between them. Great job, whoever made these. I don't know the company. I think Canvas Champ. I'll find out who made it, and I will definitely tag them in this review because, oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at that. These are so well made. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, he signed them. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Ben. Oh my god, what a beautiful surprise. Oh my god, you are wonderful. You are so wonderful. Oh my god. Oh my god, he signed it. I'm gonna show you a better... Oh my god, they're beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. I don't know where to put them. I don't want to injure them at all. Or... Oh, I can't put these down. Hold on, I need to get something else. Holy crap, look at it. I had to take a break. I was crying so bad. I can't believe he signed it. I had to get another piece of cardboard to put it on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ben, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, that was so kind of you. I'm glad my face isn't showing because I'm definitely ugly crying again. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are beautiful. These are so beautiful. Sorry if my arm was in the way. I can't look at the camera and this at the same time. Oh, wow. Wow. Ben, wow. I'm so ecstatic. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. Ben, these are amazing. These are so amazing. And they're hard. Wow. I'm so impressed. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta take my watch off. I don't want to ruin them. Oh dear golly. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, the colors. Wow. Wow. These are incredible. Oh my God, I cannot wait to hang these. Look, guys. They even have hangers on them. Amazing. Ben, these are incredible. Oh my God. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, they look amazing online, obviously, but in person? Do you know how long he spent making these? These were made in 2010, I believe. The bubble art, and then I think these were 2011 or 2012, I think.